Well, we'll find a spot, okay? Cone there, so I don't think I'm going to be able to go there. Everybody's looking for a spot. I don't think there is any spots. Pull in front of this G8 here.
This is Chris Collinsworth. Here's what's trending on the iHeart Sports Network, presented by DraftKings. Download the DraftKings app and use code SPORTS to get a free shot.
There's a spot there. I think I might just try and tuck in right over there.
With your first deposit. Minimum $5 deposit required.
Yep, that's where I'm going right there.
From the 4-1 Storm Center, 94.7.
This way nobody will see my fucked up fucking fenders over here. See what I'm saying? Hey. You need to look and see where that curb is. I can't see it because the mirror is not attached.
Oh, that side, oh, the back, I think it's really close already.
I know, you need to look down. I want to be close.
That side's the back tire is already really close. You want me to open the door so you can see? Okay.
What's up, everybody? Cars and Coffee at OKC. Got the SS finally. Let's go take a look at some cars.
Which car?
It's a C63, but what is it?
AMG.
Well, AMG makes the C63. It's a black edition.
I don't know what that means.
Oh.
I haven't kept up with it.
Well, it's got a bunch of carbon fiber stuff. It's got the wing. It's got the wide body package. It's got a bunch of stuff that the normal C63 doesn't have.
Okay.
My mother had a brand new convertible of this exact color, this exact body style.
What, is it a 68 or not?
Well, no, 9 had a different grille. So this would be a 67 or 68. I don't know the difference between the two.
I don't either.
I don't think there was much.
You know, I know where there is a two-owner. There's a lady bought, maybe it's a one-owner. Did she buy a new?
6th gen, you can tell by the body style.
What year is that?
2016, I believe, 2016 or 2017 was the new 6th gen, which they you know, it looks like the same car, but it's got different bumpers and there's some changes.
Yeah.
Most people don't really notice too much of them, but
Yeah, the GTO is a blue car. Bright blue.
this one's rough.
Yeah.
So that's why I don't feel bad about bringing mine.
Yeah.
Really? McLaren 720S, and something I'm like a little more in love with is a C63 because I can afford it. GT4, nice Bel Air. Incredible cars out here. Every type of variety. Bi-turbo, twin turbo.
Wow.
This is 100 plus. Possibly even 150. GTS, oh yeah. It's one way, 180. This car flies.
Yeah, I was gonna say it looks pretty fast.
And I guess we could just jump over here.
Yeah, this is what I'm talking about here.
Now, is this an aftermarket hood? That doesn't look right.
Depends on what year this is. They made hoods like that. I'm trying to think which.
But too many louvers, right? Isn't it?
No, and in the. I'm trying to remember which one this is. I don't think it came on this.
Yeah.
She thought her skills were worth it, and I said it's not going to happen. And she goes, well, I just feel like an employee. It's $1,000 a week for an employee. You're getting good money out here.
You're $1,000 a week, $4,000 a month.
Yeah.
See? You can bring anything here. Cobra. Oh, a ZR1. That was here last weekend too. Last time. RT. You know what that stands for?
Road and track, actually.
No, it's my initials.
Oh. No, this is a 318 car that they stuck with.
Oh yeah? You can tell by the VIN?
Yeah.
That is awesome. You could do that. Yeah, I had one of these in Hemi Orange. Well, I guess it was called Hemi Orange. I don't know the true color, but hard. All right, so we got the Hemi Cuda or the Ferrari. I'm taking the Ferrari. I'm taking the Ferrari. Yeah, yeah. Listen to this. Listen to this. All right, so we got a 4-door lifted truck, but I think this is kind of cool. It's got the it's got a wrap on the top that I think kind of makes it look kind of cool. Never seen that done before on the light color. It's kind of interesting. I like it. We got a newer Ford GT and then the older style. And then we've got a Lamborghini. We've got somebody's Porsche. She's misplaced. And then we got the twin turbo Viper with nitrous.
Yeah, I think
We've
my
got
friend
a
Brad
Porsche.
is over at his car. I see him sitting there.
And a McLaren. You got to sell your house to buy.
Yeah. The house and the farm, probably.
Yeah, yeah.
House ain't worth that much.
As I told my wife, I said, well, maybe if we sold everything we got and just slept in the car, we could do it. Paying cash anyway. And this is where this is where all the big crowds are too.
Well, that's a McLaren.
And then we have the regular Lambos over here, the R8. Another R8.